No, you're stepping outside. Come here. Come here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Leave the room. Stop. 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 Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Turn around. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. You're going to get taken.
On October 5th, 2025, officers responded to a gas station following a road rage assault. A woman intervening to protect her sister physically resisted detention. A taser was deployed within 3.5 minutes. She was charged with assault, resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and disorderly conduct. The officer announces a battery investigation. The subject asserts she does not have to speak constitutionally accurate. The officer claims she identified herself as involved, which under Terry versus Ohio would create grounds for detention. That factual dispute is the foundation of this entire case.
Right, well, we're not going to be playing these games. Right now I'm investigating. Time out. You came at me
Don't
hot.
walk up on me.
You came up.
Don't walk up on me. You got your body cam on?
Yes, it is on.
Okay, don't play with me.
I'm asking a question and you're yelling. All right?
I said I don't want to talk to you.
Doesn't matter.
I don't have to.
You told me you were involved. All right? I am involved. I'm investigating a battery.
What's a battery? Battery of what?
You want to tell me what happened? If you're not involved, then start walking away before I lock you up. You want handcuffs on you? No, you're stepping outside. Come here. Come here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Get back.
Don't touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put my hands behind me.
Get back.
Calm down. Don't touch me. Calm down. Look, you interrupt. All right. Leave the room. Stop. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Some of units now. Put your hands behind your back. I will stop once you put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Now. That's it. Get off. What you want? Shoot me? I ain't kidding nothing.
Who does that feed right now?
He hit our head to the goddamn thing. To the head and to the side. Stop! Stop! You bitch! You just kicked that thing. That's what I told you. Stop! To the side. Stop! Stop! You bitch!
Get back.
Get back!
Stop moving. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Please call Reese. Call Reese right now. Call my attorney. He arrested me for no reason. He had no proof. Call Reese right now. I'm not playing.
Do what? Do what?
He sure did. He sure did.
Stand up.
You got in the face. You got in the face with the
Stand up.
Stand up for what? I can't.
Stand up. I'm
Get
helping
off
you.
of me. I will help myself up. Please don't touch me.
Do what? Do
You
what?
already kicked her in the face. He hit her face in the side. You kicked her in the face. He hit her face with the side.
Back him away. Stand up.
You did enough. I'm calling my attorney.
Stand up.
You did enough. I am an attorney. Why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested? Can you tell me that? Why am I being arrested? Come get my keys. Come get my keys in my pocket.
Nobody's getting anything.
Yes, it is. My keys is in the car. She need my keys. She need my keys. My keys is in the car.
Oh,
You arrested me for no reason. You can't. Stop!
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car now. Good.
Stop! Ajay, the kids!
Put him in cuffs. No, you're done. We're not listening. Put your hands on your back now. Turn around. Stop it. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
You are gonna get tased. I have to call my attorney.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased. Put your hands. Put everyone back. 1713 County. Taser deployed.
For no reason.
Shut up!
She refuses to step outside and physically pulls away. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, officers may order a detained person out during a lawful stop. Her sustained resistance over 2.5 minutes establishes the legal elements of resisting arrest and obstruction in virtually every U.S. jurisdiction. The taser is deployed after repeated verbal warnings. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged on 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. On the 3rd factor, the Bodycam record is unambiguous. The deployment falls within constitutionally permissible parameters, but what preceded it raises harder questions.
You look her cuffs now.
No, stay there and be quiet for a minute.
can't believe you just changed.
Well, we can't believe you didn't listen.
I need water.
You're gonna need a lot more. Shut up.
I have physical condition.
Yeah. You have a physical condition, yet you're being extremely confrontational.
Stop. Stop.
You should have stopped when I asked you the first time.
It was unnecessary.
You're unnecessary.
All right. Now you let my legs go, please. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Can't breathe.
Sit him up.
Can't breathe. That's unnecessary. Dirt. Slow down and dirt.
13, what's
Slow
up
down
for
dirt. That was unnecessary. Water.
We'll help you sit up.
Got some water. I need some water.
Don't worry about that.
I have a physical heart shot you with the damn taser.
Hey, here's the deal. Fire department's here to check you out, so we'll move that out real quick.
What? You just fucked up my leg. My leg already fucked up. That's all.
Well, what do you know?
No, that's what I'm saying.
Well, what do you
Listen,
know?
listen. I have this left leg is already up.
Okay, so it's right leg, then your knees, put your foot on the ground.
I need water, man.
Alright, on three.
Now you gotta use all your muscle. Use it. Come on, help. I can't move.
You gotta put your foot on the ground, not underneath your ass. Bend your
All
knee.
right, you don't have to holler.
Bend your knee.
Don't grab you.
What's up, what's going on? We have.
How old's the kids? I have a 1-year-old and a 5-year-old. They won't let me see the
Were you involved in an accident?
No, he tried to hit my car, but it don't even matter now. I'm calling my attorney.
Okay,
You just assaulted me for no reason.
That's fine.
So I'm calling my attorney.
Listen, put
I'm
that
calling my father. My father is
that's
an
fine.
attorney.
That's fine. Put
So
that
please,
listen.
let your body cam footage
It's
please
on
roll.
body cam. Can you listen to me for a second?
Ain't nothing
All
to
right.
listen about.
Whatever just happened out here, let's put that aside for a
There
minute.
ain't no putting that shit aside.
You
You didn't want to listen
were
to me
you
when you pulled
involved
up.
in
You
an
came
accident?
aggressive.
Were
Because you
you-
wanted to be racist. You
No.
wanted to pick a side
No.
because it was a white man that called on me
No.
and I didn't do shit.
No, I don't know.
That's what you did. You came and slammed me by
No.
the door, grabbed me, then your homie kicked me in my fucking face. I'm a woman.
Okay,
Regardless of how you feel about me
Okay.
or my race, I'm a woman.
let's.
I have 2 kids in my car.
Were you involved in an accident?
I'm a fucking registered nurse. All I was trying to do was get some gas, go
Were you
home.
involved in an
No,
accident
I
or
did
no?
not hit nobody car. Nobody hit my car. You tried to crash
that's all I
into
want to
me.
know.
I'm going to that car to go put eyes on these kids and
Okay.
see how they're doing.
Okay.
If she has somebody that can be with the kids, is your sister here?
Yes.
Okay, can we sort that out? Because if there's 2 kids in a car with a gas pump, I'd like to.
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
you guys got a bunch
So,
of other stuff. I
I'll
just want to make sure
explain-
these guys are good.
So he was not here for any of this. He showed up after the fact.
Who is he?
That is the boyfriend of the sister, who was not in the vehicle at all. So the 2 sisters with the kids was in the car, and they pulled into the gas station. They probably didn't signal fast enough or whatever, but the car behind them started honking.
So is this a 1050?
So this is a road rage.
So she said they did not get into an accident.
Yeah, it's a road rage because the 2 sisters pulled into the gas station, and then they were wailing on the horn behind him, like, whatever, maybe they didn't signal fast enough or stop too fast. He gets to the male driver of the other vehicle, gets out, throws a glass bottle at the car. We've got damage on that vehicle and glass shattered all over it. And then the sister gets out who was driving, and the 2 male and female passenger and driver get out and start whooping on the sister. She just tried to break it up. She never swung on anybody. She threatened to mace them.
She did.
She didn't swing on anybody. She broke it up.
Okay.
She threatened to mace them when they wouldn't stop whooping on the sister. So it's 2 against 1. She didn't hit anybody.
So who's the one whooping on who?
That would have been the sister got into it. They attacked her.
Them over there and got cut.
The original caller,
Who's over there?
nobody was there. They left. So I think they're the ones that started it, and then they fled.
The second officer's debrief tells a different story. 2 sisters were attacked in a road rage incident. A bottle was thrown. The sister was assaulted 2-on-1, and the arrested woman attempted to intervene. The aggressors had already fled before officers arrived. She came to this gas station as a victim, not a perpetrator. The first officer never stopped to find this. Under the 4th Amendment, detention requires reasonable, articulable suspicion connecting the specific person to criminal activity. What facts? Known to the officer on October 5th, 2025 at the moment of detention. Justified suspicion that this woman committed a crime rather than being a witness or victim. That question would be central to any civil rights challenge. The resisting arrest and battery charges are supported by the Bodycam record. The assault and disorderly conduct charges depend on witness accounts of the road rage altercation this footage does not capture. Case disposition remains unknown at the time of this analysis.
I need to lean on you. What? Because my hands is tied behind me.
Break my back.
Well, this is what I'm telling you. My leg. Pull my pants leg. Pull it up. It's up. Now, because you need to understand this shit. So, my legs. up real bad, right? So I can't just walk from this far distance.
They taking sweet baby Jesus away.
Let's check it out. They tased me for no reason. I did nothing wrong. I broke no laws. I don't know. Can I have a bottle of water? They didn't want to give me no water. They beat her up in front of me. They probably gonna try to kill me. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me because they probably gonna try to kill me. They tased me, man, for no reason. Take a picture of me because they already demons, they devils, and I did nothing wrong. These men beating on her. She was bleeding. The motherfucker bastard kicked her in the face. I did nothing wrong. I promise. I ain't did shit wrong. Now how am I supposed to get in this? You got a bottle of water in your car? No. They don't even give me no water, man. So why am I being arrested for?
For obstructing.
Obstructing.
Because
You give me
because
a
you
ticket.
came to all
That's
these
kind of
events.
arrest.
Sweetie.
Yeah, don't you just write that up. I ain't got no extension.
We're not gonna write it up the
How am
station.
I obstructing when y'all tase me?
We're not gonna argue here on the
Okay,
street. That's
Jay,
recorded.
Jay,
You right.
Jay,
Go ahead and sit down.
please.
Nah, don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right. I love you. They fucked her up. They tased me.
Watch your matter station.
Because my injuries. How is your injury for these shoes on? My feet, I can't walk. I got special inserts. I recently got brace on my leg.
That's
I
fine.
can show you my leg.
That's fine. We're done. General search. The faster we move, the faster we get them out here.
Okay. Yeah. Get me out of here.
The primary officer receives a C+. The taser deployment was within legal parameters. However, a confrontational approach from first contact and the failure to pause for basic investigation before detaining a likely victim is a significant lapse. The second officer receives a B-. His calm debrief uncovered the full picture in minutes. Exactly what the initial contact should have looked like. The subject receives a B. She correctly asserted her rights, disclosed her medical condition, and came to the scene as a victim. However, 2.5 minutes of physical resistance created the charges she now faces. The appropriate remedy for an unlawful arrest is compliance followed by a legal challenge, not physical resistance. Her racial bias allegation may have independent merit and deserves separate investigation. 3 lessons emerge from the events of October 5th, 2025. First, investigate before you detain. A 60-second conversation with bystanders before making contact may have prevented this arrest entirely. Second, de-escalation is not weakness. The second officer demonstrated that calm questioning produces better information and better outcomes than immediate confrontation. Third, knowing your rights matters, but timing matters more. Asserting rights verbally is always protected. Physical resistance, even against a questionable arrest, almost always results in additional charges that are difficult to beat in court. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.